This secret MACD strategy I'm about to reveal is probably one of the best and highest win rate trading strategies of all time. It's very easy to use and it works on every single type of market, and most importantly, it makes money. The normal MACD indicator by itself is alright, but to get an edge on other traders, we will be pairing it with some of the most deadly indicator combinations of all time. So make sure you watch until the end to learn how to pair it with other indicators to make the strategy so much better. For this tutorial, I will be using TradingView, but these indicators are available on most charting softwares. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and load up the MACD indicator. So go to the indicators tab and then search up MACD, and it should be right over here. Once it's added to your chart, you should get a bottom pane containing a graph like this. Now it's time for me to explain how it works. This indicator consists of 4 parts: the MACD line, which is normally a 12-day moving average, the signal line, which is normally a 26-day moving average, the histogram, and finally the zero line. The histogram will simply tell you the area between the signal line. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, a positive trend is hinted, and when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, a negative trend is hinted. The bars of the histogram will tell you how much momentum there is in the graph. If the bars are increasing in height, that means that momentum is increasing, and if the bars are decreasing in height, that means that momentum is decreasing. Now let's talk about how we can make this strategy even better. So the reason the MACD indicator isn't good all by itself is because it's good at telling you when price will move upwards in an upwards trend, but here when price is going down in a downwards trend, it tells you to open up a long position. To fix this, all we need to do is we need to go to the indicators tab and search up for the EMA. Select moving average exponential, and you should see a blue line going through your graph. Double click it, go to inputs, and change the length to 200. Click on OK, and you should see a line like this. Now normally, not to confuse it with the MACD line, I just go ahead and then change the color to red. When your price is above the EMA line, that means that you are in a positive trend. When price is above the red line, the market's in an uptrend. When price is below the red line, that means that price is in a downtrend. Here's how we can incorporate this into our strategy. If price is above the red line, we're going to look for when the MACD line goes above the signal line and enter long positions. So here's an example trade that I'm about to take right now. The MACD line has passed above the signal line and we're in a positive uptrend. I can now go ahead and then open up a long position with a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. I'm going to set my stop loss at a recent swing low and my take profit around 1.5 times the size of it. And there you go. Let's go ahead and see how this trade turns out. As we can see, we got a positive signal right there and it was a win, and we ended up making 1.12%. However, if you want to take it a step further and make sure that you get the highest win rate possible, you can continue to do what I'm going to show you. You want to go ahead and make a line, set it to the color white, and it should look like this. Using price action, find the support line. This support line should be where price is rejected from moving downwards. As we can see, price was rejected from moving downwards twice here. As we can see, price was recently rejected, and the lines of the indicator are going to go ahead and then cross, giving us a long signal. As we can see, they've crossed right over here, and of course price is above the red line, so we can go ahead and then enter a long position. All we need to do is set our take profit at a recent swing high and set our stop loss at a recent swing low. We can now go ahead and then enter the trade. And as we can see, we have another positive trade right there. If you want more strategies like this, join our Discord server to get free signals. On our Discord server, you can also purchase our premium algo, which tells you exactly where to buy, sell, set your TP, set your stop loss, and exit trades. For more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe.